Ideal fluid and hydrodynamic equation based on conservation of mass, momentum and energy. Hydrodynamic is the branch of fluid mechanics that study flow fluid in motion. The behavior of ideal fluid is completely described by three fundamental conservation laws: conservation of mass, continuity equation, conservation of momentum, Euler equation, and conservation of energy, Bernoulli's equation. Number one, ideal fluid. An ideal fluid is hypothetically fluid that simplifies the mathematical analysis of fluid motion. Property of an ideal fluid: incompressible. The density of fluid remain constant. Rho is equals to constant, meaning fluid volume does not change under pressure. Liquids such as water are nearly where Rho is equals to density of fluid kilogram meter minus cube. Second, and non-viscous. The fluid has no internal friction. Eta is equals to 0. So eta is equals to coefficient of viscosity, meaning no energy is lost due to friction. Fluid layers slide over one another without resistance. Number third है rotational flow. Fluid particles do not rotate. Delta cross v is equals to 0, where delta cross v curl of velocity, where vorticity. Third है steady flow. Velocity at every point remain constant with time. Del v by del t is equals to 0. Important fluid quantities: density, pressure, वेलोसिटी, एरिया, हाइट, ग्रेविटी, मास, वॉल्यूम. तो इसमें इसके ऐसा यूनिट दे रखे हैं और मीनिंग दे रखे हैं. अब हम देखते हैं सेकंड है कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास. कॉन्टिन्यूटी इक्वेशन प्रिंसिपल है मास कैन नीदर बी क्रिएटेड नॉट डिस्ट्रॉयड. मास क्रिएटिंग अ पाइप पर सेकंड इज इक्वल्स टू मास लीविंग द पाइप पर सेकंड. मास ऑफ फ्लो रेट, तो ये आ जाएगा जो m है वो रो ए वी के, वेयर m इज मास ऑफ फ्लो रेट किलोग्राम पर सेकंड. रो डेंसिटी ए क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया, एंड वी जो है फ्लो velocity, meaning the amount of mass flowing every second through any cross sectional area. For two sessions, rho 1 a1 v1 is equals to rho 2 a2 v2. For incompressible fluid, rho 1 is equals to rho 2, so a1 v1 is equals to a2 v2 is equals to constant. Physical meaning: narrow pipes is equals to small areas, large velocity. Wide pipe, large area, small velocity. Thus v is proportional to 1 upon a. Differential continuity equation: del rho by del t plus divergence of rho v is equals to 0. For incompressible flow, delta v is equals to 0. Meaning of symbol: del by del t, charge of density with time, and divergence of velocity, net fluid flowing out. Third है conservation of momentum. Euler hydrodynamics equation principle. This equation is obeyed by applying Newton's second law to a moving fluid. Net force is equals to rate of change of momentum. This equation is rho dv upon dt is equals to minus k delta p plus rho g. Meaning of each term: rho dv upon dt, inertia force per unit volume changing in momentum, minus k delta p, pressure force per unit volume, and rho g is equals to gravitational force per unit volume. Material डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? डी बाई डी टी इज इक्वल्स टू डेल बाई डेल टी वी डॉट वी. मीनिंग है इट रिप्रेजेंट द टोटल रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस बाय अ मूविंग फ्लूइड पार्टिकल. इट consist of local acceleration del v by del t change with time at one point. Number second है convenient acceleration del v dot d v change because fluid moves one place to another. Flow study: for steady flow del v by del t is equals to 0. Rho v dot del v is equals to del p.